everybody, we're going to make some oat flour today, and how we're going to make the oat flour is I'm using my attachment, my KitchenAid attachment, and it's a Grin Mill, and this is what it looks like right here. I've had this for quite a few years now. I don't use it too much, but I have a recipe that I need to use some oat flour, so I said, well, let's make some. So let's try it. You need some old-fashioned oats of your choice, whatever brand you want. And I have the Grin Mill attached to my hub to my KitchenAid right here. I have a bowl right here. Don't think I can pull it over so you can see it. Don't think any more than that. And if I go up, you can't see. We're at the end of my counter. So let's try it again. I can always hold it too so you can see. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do about 3 cups. Just like this. And you want to take your oats and you want to pour. This is called the hopper right here. And these are the digital right here on what you want, fine, mist, heavy, and I want fine, so I'm going to go all the way over, and let's try this. See what's going to happen here. Oh yeah, here's one. Call this 2. That's all we do, just like this, and it comes right out the hopper part. It's very fine, which that's what you want when you want to do flour. So this is how you do it. You take oats, you put it in the hopper. I need 3 cups, but I'm just showing you how you do it. It's very simple, and it's a whole lot more inexpensive to do it this way, because if you go buy oat flour, it's very expensive. Okay, so I want to show you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get a spoon out here. Oh, I did find my Grammy's spoon, by the way. I just want to show you how wonderful this looks. Look at that. Beautiful flour. So I have an upcoming video that I'll be using oat flour for. So if you have a Grin Mill, or if you like to do your own grains, you could invest one. I don't know how much they are. I got this many years ago. My son bought it for me. I think he actually got it at Williams-Sonoma, but I'm sure you could buy it online. And I'm just going to turn it around. It unplugged, but that's okay because I want you to see the front of it. It's all nice stainless steel. It's really, really nice. So anyways, that's the flour right there. I need about 3 cups. It's kind of slow going because it only a little bit goes through the hopper, and we are making it very, very fine. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because there's a lot going on here on this channel, and you never know what I'm going to have on my videos. I like to say you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Hit that bell, go ring-a-ding-ding, so you can get all my new videos that come out. I try to post every day, and I also do live streams. I haven't done them for a while, but I am planning in the future to do it after my surgery. So again, please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Look in the description box below. I'll see what information I can find out.